motorist in North Carolina tells 911, I just
serious?
had a bald eagle drop a cat through my windshield.
Yes.
The cat didn't survive, right?
Look at that.
Oh, how wonderful.
If you're a bald person, it's good to wear a hat outside if you know bald eagles are out there, because what bald eagles do is they'll grab fish or other things like maybe shellfish, whatever, and they'll grab these things up and they'll go to the rocks and crack these things or drop things.
Right.
They don't want to fight a cat or something like that to claw them up. So
Just drop it from 70 feet.
Right, and then they'll come pick it up and go feed their young, whatever.
Yeah.
Well, if you're bald, they think your head's a rock and they'll drop
Right.
it.